When was the last time you deep cleaned the lint trap? We all take the lint trap out, take all the lint that's on top, throw that out, throw it back in. When was the last time you deep cleaned in here? Probably has been a while, right? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I deep clean my dryer lint trap to avoid a dryer fire. On Amazon, you can pick up these super cheap dryer lint vacuum attachments. These are meant for inside the house, in the dryer, in this lint trap here. I also have an attachment that goes on my drill that I can stick through the lint trap that goes outside, and we'll clean that out later. But let's start with the inside. All right, let's get this thing out of the packaging. Comes with the attachment that goes onto the vacuum. It comes with a nice long brush to get down in there. And then it comes with it says 42-inch hose. So I guess this is the 42-inch hose. And this attaches onto here, like such. And you could use this to vacuum all up in there. All right, to start, we're just going to use this little brush to hopefully just loosen up some of the gunk within here. There we go. Once we've cleaned out the inside, it's time to move to the outside. I haven't checked on this in a long time, and it looks like my dryer lint cover here is basically falling apart. So let's take this off and clean it out. Woo! Take a look at that. Super sun deteriorated. I bought this dryer brush kit on Amazon a few years back. It comes with a bunch of extensions. They screw together. You just got to make sure you run your drill the correct direction, and it fits right into your dryer vent pipe. So let's go turn on the dryer inside and hook it up to the drill and get started. So I can feel the dryer is running. You can see in this little piece of lint that it is. So let's hook this drill up and get started. So you almost got to take it section at a time. All right, let's see. All right, that's the first section. So dryer lint is all cleaned out, and as you saw at the beginning of this video, our cover on the exterior of the house has clearly deteriorated and seen better days. So ran out for a quick lunch. Also picked up this metal exhaust fan cover. I figured this side of the house gets a ton of sun exposure. It's best to have one that is pretty durable. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. Luckily, it's a nice smooth fit. We've got some screws, some stainless steel screws here. Dropping them all over the place. Stainless steel so they don't rust. Let's sink these home. Strips that one. That sucks. And that's a wrap. Make sure you're cleaning out your dryer vents at least twice a year. I try to do it 2 to 3 times a year. Definitely do it before the winter as the air gets drier. Much easier to spark this stuff on fire then. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.